This narrative transcends the mere tale of a machine. It serves as a profound exploration of engineering defiance. It highlights a scenario in which the luxury of the elite is overshadowed by the raw reliability of the common man. In a world where status was measured by size, this small frame challenged the giants. In this landscape, the simple act of enduring, of lasting for decades, is deemed a miracle. Yet, the law of physics was on its side. Suspicion filled the air among competitors. Why? Because reliability records truth. They capture the endurance of a generation. They expose the inefficiency of modern fragility. And such truth is dangerous to those who thrive on planned obsolescence. If you were in a crisis, would you trust the modern plastic or the vintage steel? The road didn't ask for permission, it dictated. From the start, this was not about luxury. It was about dominance through persistence. Chapter 1. The First Vision, 1970-1973. The year was 1970. From the soil of Japan, something emerged that would redefine the word standard. When the first version of the Datsun B110 graced the showrooms, it wasn't just a car. It was a rebellion against the heavy, fuel-guzzling giants of that era. The hallmark of this first model was its sheer simplicity. Round headlights that pierced the night, and a body built not just to cut through the wind, but to endure the hardships of time. Engineers named it the Sunny, because it entered every home like a ray of hope. In this chapter, we see how its first version stepped out of Japan to establish its dominance on the world's roads. Chapter 2. The Unkillable Engine, A12. If this story has a hero, it is the A12 engine. It wasn't just a collection of iron and pistons, it was an engineer's dream that refused to die. This small 1171cc engine possessed an authority in its sound that put large V8 engines to shame. The greatest strength of this engine was its OHV, overhead valve, design. It lacked any complexity that would fail over time. This engine proved that dominance doesn't always come from power, but from consistency. This is why, 50 years later, while modern cars are slaves to computer chips, the A12 engine can still be brought back to life with just a screwdriver and a little effort. Chapter 3. The 1973 Crisis. Truth over suspicion. When the 1973 fuel crisis hit, the world was in panic. Large cars stood idle by the roadsides watching the chaos. That's when the Datsun B110 proved its worth. People were suspicious. How could such a small car travel such long distances? But the records spoke the truth. This car emerged as the most fuel-efficient machine of its time. It showed that when times are tough, you don't need to look commanding. You only need to be effective. From America to Australia, people stood in lines to buy this legend. This was the moment Datsun began its reign over not just the market, but the hearts of the people. Chapter 4. The Build Quality. Engineering Perfection. To speak of the Datsun B110's rugged construction, we must look into the Japanese factories of 1970, where quality control was more than a word. It was a religion. The steel of this car was the finest alloy of its time. Engineers built its chassis so strong that whether on a dirt path or a mountain curve, it never flinched. Its simplicity was its ultimate power. There were no complicated wires or sensors to fail you mid-journey. Every nut and bolt was tightened so that this car could run for decades without major expense. This was the engineering perfection that told the world that an affordable car doesn't mean a cheap one. Chapter 5. Arrival in South Asia. The Legend Reborn. When the Datsun 1200 first touched the roads of South Asia, it wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. For the hot and dusty roads of this region, this car proved to be a gift. People called it bulletproof because it kept running despite poor fuel and minimal maintenance. From the taxi market to middle-class households, the Datsun B110 fit in everywhere. Even today, in any corner of Pakistan, you will still find a Datsun 1200 running, proving that if the foundation is strong, even the dust of time cannot erase it. Chapter 6. The Eternal Legacy. Conclusion. Today, the world is moving toward electric and smart cars, but the passion inspired by the Datsun B110 is hard to replicate. It wasn't just a means of transport, it was a hope, a trust. It taught us that true power lies not in dominance, but in survival. The story of the Datsun Sunny B110 still echoes on the roads today. Anyone who has ever held its steering wheel knows that this is not just metal. It is an immortal soul that is free from the prison of time. If you enjoyed our hard work and this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more such fascinating stories.